so let's zoom trwy'r testyn rwan yn chwilio am looking for any verbs which end in SE. Let's collect verbs which end in SE. Let's do a collection.
Cysgesu.
Right, okay. Yeah, let's go. Sgwennu rhain lawr I gyd.
Gesi.
Dych chi wedi gyflym I fi, well fi. Come on, gloiach. So, gloiach.
Gloiach.
Ar y deg. Oh, right, yeah, okay. Now then, okay, so we're going to... Felly mae Colin wedi dechrau gyda cysgesu. How would you actually... You could expand that into an idiom. Cysgesu.
Fel mochyn.
Fel mochyn. Cysgesu, fel mochyn. Let's have another verb.
Esi.
I went. Esi. Gesi. I had. So you could say Esi I Tesco's, Gesi baced o Rice Krispies. Right. So beth oedd lemit? Wellesley. So then Wellesley. I saw. Wellesley. Esi i'r cinema. BSE. BSE bron. Canesi. It's called Canesi. Canesi, I sang.
Oh, okay, I see.
Ia, unrhyw beth arall yma? Neu dyn ni wedi cael popeth?
Barbadosi.
Yeah, right, okay, yeah. So, edryches mae gen i edryches I fan hyn. Gwisges I, yeah. Dechreues I. It's sort of like a death ray. Bwytes I, yeah. Clywes I fan hyn? No.
What about?
Clywes I, I heard. Clywes I. So,
What about? Hang on. Llankesi?
Diane, Llankesi. I swallowed. Llankesi. Iawn. Os ydych chi dweud I didn't. Look, ddim. Es I ddim. I didn't go. Es I ddim. Ges I ddim. Weles I ddim. Bues I ddim ac yn y blaen. So now, stick your ddim yna and you change the meaning of the sentence completely. Es I ddim.
Oh, yeah. No. What to see them? Pizza.
I didn't.
Yeah, dim becomes ddim. Yeah. So os ydych chi'n dweud, es I Barbados, or es I ddim I Barbados. Yeah? You can say, bues I yn Barbados, bues I ddim yn Barbados. I didn't be there, right? Yeah? Edryches I allan o'r drws, edryches I ddim allan, mas o'r drws. Yeah? Right, felly, dych chi'n gweld gyda'r rhain I gyd, this SE ending. SE. Felly, os dych chi'n mynd I ddweud, any verbs that you've learned so far, unrhyw beth dych chi wedi dysgu, mewn gwirionedd, if you want to say, I did this, I did that, dwy ffordd o wneud it. You can either say, bues un, and put the verb there, or take the verb, take the ending off, put SE ar lawr. Yeah? So now then, meddylwch chi nawr, unrhyw ferfau, any verbs you've done this week. Bues i'n gwylio adar. So, now then, annwyl mam, right? Or if you text somebody, you can say, on your Twitters, neu rhywbeth, neu Facebook, neu rhywbeth. You could put down things in heddiw, today, or ddoe, yesterday, bues un, and put the verb there. Bues un. So, hit me rwan, tarwch mi rwan, gyda, I bid doing something. So,
Neither
BSC
cysgu.
Neithiwr bues i'n cysgu, da iawn.
Bues un.
Bues i'n
nofio gyda Mel.
Bues i'n nofio gyda Mel, iawn.
Be sy'n cerdded.
Be sy'n cerdded, da iawn.
Bita.
Be sy'n bita.
Prynu.
Be sy'n prynu yn y siop, do. Be sy'n siopa. Be sy'n siopa.
Beth sy'n siarad efo Colin?
Be sy'n siarad efo Colin, da iawn.
Be sy'n prynu dafad.
Be sy'n prynu dafad, da iawn.
A fi.
Ia, a fi.
Prynu cacen Cymraeg.
Be sy'n prynu cacen Gymraeg, iawn, da iawn.
Beth sy'n redeg?
Be sy'n redeg, ardderchog, da iawn.
Beth sy'n dysgu siarad Cymraeg?
Be sy'n dysgu siarad Cymraeg. So it's the be sy'n plus any verb. What have you been doing? You've been nofio. So be sy'n nofio.
Be sy'n nofio.
Be sy'n nofio. I went swimming.
Can you say haven't?
Be sy'n ddim.
Vim.
Be sy'n ddim. Yn nofio. That's where the apostrophe n comes out to an un. The ddim fits in there. Be sy'n ddim yn nofio. So now say something. Ah!
No! Cheeky gorilla.
Weles i rhywun yn gwisgo siwt gorilla yma, right? Yeah.
Weles i nawr.
Yeah, weles i. Edrychwch. Yeah.
Weles i.
Suit gorilla.
Siwt gorilla. Na ten. Dyna'r gorffennol. That's you can say this is what you did. There's another way of doing it, which is equally as good. Which
That's better. This one's better.
oh, okay, could be better. Could be better, depending. Right? Now ten. It's dwi wedi.
This is easy.
Dwi wedi. Dwi wedi. So dwi wedi yn golygu mewn gwirionedd I have done something. It's not the same as I did something. Like I os ydych chi'n dweud be sy'n nofio, I went swimming. Dwi wedi nofio, I have swum. Right, yeah? If swum is the right one. Swim, swam. Beth bynnag ydi o, right, iawn. Os ydych chi'n dweud dwi wedi. So dwi wedi is used slightly differently, but it can be pan ydych chi'n dysgu iaith. You use tenses roughly. So you might use dwi wedi, when you actually meant I did something, but it's perfectly understood, yeah? So you could say, dwi wedi siarad Cymraeg heddiw. You could put on your Twitter, dwi wedi. Dwi wedi, I have done something.
But what is wedi? Wedi is to do then, is it?
Wedi, no. The wedi, you cannot translate word for word Cymraeg Saesneg, no. But wedi does actually mean after. Hanner awr wedi. So if you say dwi wedi mynd, you've passed going, you've gone. Dwi wedi mynd. So use dwi wedi. What have you done? Be ydych chi wedi wneud heddiw? So instead of saying be sy'n, you just say dwi wedi and put the verb in. So you could say dwi wedi gwylio adar. I have watched birds. Dwi wedi nofio.
Dwi wedi mynd ar ci am dro.
Dwi wedi mynd ar ci am dro. Ardderchog.
Cydog yn paced o Watsits.
Dwi wedi prynu pacedydd o Watsits.
Dwi wedi cysgu yn y ystafell gwely.
Dwi wedi cysgu yn y stafell wely.
Dwi wedi prynu... Have we just done that?
Well, yeah, dwi wedi prynu...
Paced bisgedi.
Dwi wedi prynu paced o bisgedi. Heddiw neu ddoe. So heddiw today, ddoe yesterday. Heddiw, ddoe. Oi. Boy, ddoe, lovely boy, ddoe. Lovely boy, ddoe. So, ddoe, dwi wedi, you could say, yeah, so dwi wedi, ddoe. Or dwi wedi, heddiw. So things you have done. Dwi wedi, how do you say I haven't?
Dwi ddim wedi.
Da iawn, ardderchog. Drop the ddim in. Dwi ddim wedi. Dych chi'n gweld efo wedi? There is no un with it. Dwi ddim wedi.
Dwi ddim wedi nofio.
Dwi ddim wedi nofio.
Dwi ddim wedi cysgu.
Dwi ddim wedi cysgu. Now that's should be a big theme for this week. Dwi ddim wedi cysgu. I haven't slept. So dwi ddim wedi cysgu. Dwi ddim wedi cerdded. Right? Dwi ddim wedi siarad ar y ffôn. Right? Dwi ddim wedi yfed dim byd. Dwi ddim wedi. So dwi ddim wedi, I haven't done something. Dwi wedi, I have done something. So, but this can be in your life. What have you achieved? You could say, dwi wedi darllen War and Peace. Yeah, dwi wedi darllen. I haven't actually, but you could say it. Dwi wedi darllen. Now you haven't said, you say dwi wedi darllen War and Peace. You can say, yeah, and right, yeah. Dwi ddim wedi darllen War and Peace. Dych chi'n gallu gweud, dwi wedi gweld Sound of Music 10 gwaith.
Have you?
Yeah, I think probably.
Nice, iawn.
Well, you know.
Dwi wedi gweld Star Wars
Yeah.
10 gwaith.
Dwi wedi gweld Star Wars 10 gwaith. Iawn, okay. So now, and also, you could say things you have done or people you have seen. Dwi wedi gweld cyfarfod.
Tony Blair. Dwi'n wedi gweld Tony Blair.
Dwi wedi gweld Tony Blair.
Dwi ddim wedi gweld Tony Blair.
Dwi ddim wedi gweld Tony Blair.
Ond dwi'n hapus.
Right, so you could say I've spoken with. Dwi wedi siarad gyda. 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 Now then, let's have some bragging. Let's have some bragging going on here now. So, you know, one-upmanship, okay?
Could you say Efo instead of Gyda?
Efo yn y gogledd, gyda yn y de, that's fine. That's dim problem. Yeah, mae hynny'n great. So now then, let's have some serious bragging. You say, oh, you know, you're impressed, you know, dwi wedi siarad gyda Rob Brydon. Yeah, no, whatever. Right? Let's impress. Be really snooty and impressed. Yeah, give it that point. Dwi wedi siarad gyda.
Dwi'n wedi siarad gyda Nelson Mandela.
Oh, wow! Whoa, da, hynny. Boom! At the top, yeah.
Dwi wedi canu gyda Tom Jones.
Oh! Ddim wedi taflu dim byd o Tom Jones, gobeithio. Just canu yna.
Dwi wedi siarad efo Nick Clegg.
Whoa! So, right, think about it.
Dwi'n wedi Pam.
Dwi'n anghofio.
Right, yeah, right.
Dwi wedi siarad gyda Michael Caine.
Dwi wedi siarad gyda
Dwi
Michael
wedi
Caine.
bocsio gyda Joe Calzaghe.
Oh!
This interview.
Cyfweld.
Dwi wedi cyfweld gyda Peter Andre. Dwi wedi cyfweld gyda Bruce Forsyth.
Dwi'n wedi
I like it.
Dwi'n wedi
No,
chwarae...
dwi wedi
chwarae football gyda Pele.
Oh!
You won.
Yeah, this is the kind of thing I have in my normal classes as well.